guys, thank you for watching. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve my version of a perfect winged liner. So if you are interested in how I get this look, then please keep watching. So I am going to show you how I get my version of perfect winged liner. So the liner that I'm going to be using is the KatVonD tattoo liner, and I will link all of the products that I'm using down below. I really love this liner because it does have a felt tip and it's a very sharp edge to the liner, and that helps me to really achieve a really perfect line when I'm getting my liner done. So I always kind of start by establishing just a little bit of some definition in my waterline, and this is going to be on my upper eyelid, obviously. So I'm just going to take a regular pencil liner. I use a combination of the two liners every single time I do my liner. So I'm going to just take that pencil liner and just darken up the inner corner at first, just so I can kind of establish some darkness. And then I'm going to take my liquid liner and I'm just going to, the first thing I do is just apply it to my eyelid. So just taking that, I'm going to go in and just draw a line all across my lid. I'm going to try to do this as close to my lash line as I can, and since I do already have a set of false lashes on, I'm just going to go over top of the glue line on my lashes and just darken that up so that it blends in with the rest of my liner. So still just on the actual eyelid. Just go through and darken up that lash line so it blends in. And then now the intensity of your wing liner is all going to depend on how high up you put the wing as well as how thick you make it, obviously. So the way that I gauge my winged liner is I always go towards the edge of my brow. So I'm just going to kind of draw a line to establish where I'm going to put the wing up towards the edge of my eyebrow. So I'm just going to draw a single line. Just like that. And this is obviously going to be the end of my winged liner, but I can draw this up higher if I wanted it to be more intense, more of a dramatic cat eye. But I'm just going to go with a standard wing for now. So going from there, I go about halfway into the wing, and then I'm just going to pull that line across to to connect with the line that I had drawn just on my lid. So about halfway, and I'm just going to draw that across just like that, and then I'm going to go through and just fill it in. Now that the wing is all filled in, you can see how the wings match. I'm going to go back in with that pencil liner and I'm going to tightline my eye, which means I'm going to just go into the waterline of my upper eyelid. And this is just going to make sure that when you look up, you don't have any sort of skin tone line underneath your winged liner, and it'll just help make everything look cohesive and blended. So I'm just going to lift up and just darken slowly that entire lower line. And you can use any type of liner for this, but it just helps to have something that's really smooth because it'll help it to blend on more easily. face that I'm making while doing this. Just like that. Now, if necessary, you can curl your eyelashes. Help to just make it go together even better. Watch me pull off my eyelashes doing this. Ugh! Okay. The struggle is real, people. These are the challenges that we all face, right? So, just like that, we have our perfect liner. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys with my next video.